Morning Tuk Tuk, it's Chris from Minty Property Developments. Today we're reviewing the Monument Sweatbox. Now I've never had a tote box or anything, I've normally used a bag. But this seems like a decent bit of kit. Somewhere to store your gas, flux, solder, plenty of room for various bits of kit. Nice big pockets, fairly solid as well, it can take a bit of a bash. Flux brush holder there, which is quite handy because I'm normally losing them. It's got this little clamp on it as well. So this little clamp, you get a bit of copper. Apparently these are heat proof. So we can stick our copper in there, clamps it down. If we're doing a small bit of soldering, it's not going to move anywhere. It is fairly solid. I'm quite impressed with that. And got a little bit of 28mm copper. Will it fit? Will it fit? 28mm copper as well, so that's very handy. Overall, it's a decent bit of kit. The only issue I found with it is probably user error. Is I'll fill it and it'll get so heavy. But that's my fault carrying all my stuff around site. But no, other than that, no fear that it's going to break or snap or anything like that. So solidly built, lots of storage in it. Decent buy.